Budget-friendly DIY bedroom decor ideas. Redecorating your bedroom can be an exciting project, but it can also be costly. Luckily, there are many budget-friendly DIY ideas that can help you achieve the bedroom of your dreams without breaking the bank. In this article, we will share some simple and creative DIY bedroom decor ideas that are both affordable and easy to make. Create a headboard. If you don't have a headboard, you can easily create one using simple materials like plywood, fabric, or even old shutters. Choose a fabric that matches your bedroom decor or paint the plywood in a color that complements your walls. Add some greenery. Adding plants to your bedroom can instantly make it feel more lively and fresh. You can purchase inexpensive plants like succulents, spider plants, or pothos, or you can propagate your own plants from cuttings. You can also make your own plant hangers using materials like rope or macrame. Use wall art. Wall art is an easy and affordable way to add personality and style to your bedroom. You can create your own art using canvas and paint or use printable art that you can find online. You can also create a gallery wall with a mix of framed photos, prints, and art. Create a focal point. Creating a focal point in your bedroom can add interest and draw the eye. You can do this by adding a statement piece like a bold rug or a unique piece of furniture. You can also create a feature wall by painting one wall in a bold color or using wallpaper. DIY bedside table. Instead of buying expensive bedside tables, you can create your own using materials like crates, vintage suitcases, or even a stack of books. These DIY bedside tables are not only budget-friendly, but they also add a unique touch to your bedroom decor. Add textiles. Adding textiles like throw pillows, blankets, and curtains can add warmth and coziness to your bedroom. You can purchase inexpensive textiles from discount stores or online, or you can make your own using fabric and a sewing machine. Repurpose old items. Before throwing away old items like picture frames or vases, consider repurposing them for your bedroom decor. You can paint them in a new color or use them for a new purpose, like using a picture frame as a jewelry holder. Create a DIY lamp. Creating your own lamp is a fun and easy DIY project that can add a unique touch to your bedroom decor. You can use materials like wood, metal, or even old wine bottles to create your own lamp. Add mirrors. Adding mirrors to your bedroom can create the illusion of more space and light. You can purchase inexpensive mirrors from discount stores or online, or you can repurpose old mirrors that you may already have. Use decorative storage. Using decorative storage like baskets or vintage crates can add style and function to your bedroom decor. You can use these storage items to store blankets, pillows, or even shoes. In conclusion, redecorating your bedroom doesn't have to be expensive. With these budget-friendly DIY ideas, you can create a beautiful and personalized bedroom without breaking the bank. By using simple materials and a little creativity, you can transform your bedroom into a cozy and stylish space.